Could you give me please brief introduction of the venue?
Hangzhou Wenhui School Lawn Bowls Green will hold the Lawn Bowls event of Asia Para Games, being one of the independent competition venues as well as the first competition venue that is converted from a basic education playground in the history of Asia Para Games.
What kind of sport is a lawn bowl? How many gold medals will be awarded at the Hangzhou Asian Para Games?
Lawn bowls has its origin in the English court and boasts a history of hundreds of years. It became an official competition event in the 2000 Incheon Asia Para Games for the first time. In the fourth Asia Para Games, there will be 3 events for the lawn bowls, including men's singles, women's singles, and mixed doubles, which are expected to witness 24 gold medals. The competitors are athletes with physical or visual impairments.
Could you give a brief introduction to the lawn bowls competition at the Asian Para Games?
比赛规则就是说，就非常像冰壶一样，这个就是目标球。这个目标球，其实你的球和我的球，我们作为对手来讲，都是希望接近、靠近这个目标球，离它越近越好。离它越近，我就能得分。对，好球。
Can you briefly introduce the national team players?
我们这支队伍组队3年，组队3年，集中训练。你看，这就是最后的留下15名运动员，在他们这15名运动员里面将会参加这次。
Asian Para Games training can be quite challenging. Can you briefly give a content and duration of a player's training? How did they prepare for the Hangzhou Asian Para Games?
一种视力的视障的，就是我们有些人，大家可以看到，有些人全部就是完全的盲人，他看不见。他是靠我们教练每一个球，在他出球的时候要发出声音，投出去30米，我们每次都要告诉他，哎呀，你这个球是32米还是28米，让他在一个数字的概念里边积累力量。
What's your impression of this venue? How it meets the team's training needs?
这块场地目前在我们国家应该我们不要说最好，应该说是有。
As accessible facilities are a significant feature of venues. Could you briefly introduce the accessible feature of the venues?
One of the most distinctive features is the accessible facilities. The venue has 13 accessible ramps, 8 accessible toilets, 8 accessible toilet stops, 1 accessible lift, and 6 accessible parking spaces, so athletes and people in need can travel freely throughout the venue. In order to comprehensively promote the construction of a barrier-free environment for information exchange, the venue took the lead in constructing an accessible voice interactive toilet to make toileting smarter and safer for the visually impaired.
Hello, my name is Tang Shulpan. I came from Kazakhstan. Currently, I'm in Hangzhou studying at Zhejiang University. Today we experienced lawn bowls green at Hangzhou Wenhui Stadium. And this game is so interesting and very exciting. Also, the coach, professional coach, teach us how to play lawn bowls.
你好，我叫阿丽娜。今天我第一次听说关于这种运动，我真的对这种运动产生了浓厚的兴趣。奥运会期间，我一定会关注它。
心相悦，梦上耀。